am Tony. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, special welcome to you. Today I'm going to be doing a blind tutorial Tuesday. I wanted to do a video with makeup really bad, and I haven't put a video up in a while. I've been sick and I was at a relative's house. Things have been a little crazy in my life, to say the least. So I haven't been posting as much, which I'm going to try to work on as much as I can. So I just wanted to do a makeup look for you guys, and that's about it. So I have the Frosted Flakes palette from Glamlight. It looks like this. It's beautiful. I love it. Honestly, it's stunning, and the colors are just amazing. The shimmers look so wet and beautiful on the eyes. And then the other thing I'm using is a loose pigment from Nakia Joy Cosmetics. This is in the color Inferno. I love her Chroma Shift shadow, like the loose pigments, whatever. It's still an eyeshadow, but you can do anything with it, really. But I have these in duochromes, multi-chromes, like regular pigments. I love Nakia Joy's stuff. Like, it's amazing. She just brought out some new products that I wanted to check out too. So this is basically a green, gold, yellow shift, but I think it mainly hits the orangish side. And I have a peach shirt on, so I figured that would look okay. So we're gonna start off with the loose pigment, which can be very, very messy if you're not careful. But if you do the right things and you follow really close, you'll be able to do this just fine. Now, I am gonna do this blind. I have to take my glasses off to do my eye makeup, obviously. So I might have to get really close to the camera and or the mirror for a couple parts. I just wanted to warn you guys. I might try to delete it out if I'm too long, like not looking at the camera and things like that. So that's about it. Let's get into this. All right. So I'm just taking a brush. I think this is from MOTD, and there's nothing on it. I got this from Ipsy. It came in a 3-piece set. Now, I am going to wet this. I want to make sure it's wet enough, though. This sprays out kind of weird. This is the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. It doesn't matter what kind of liquid you use. So you're going to just go into the loose pigment and have a bunch of it on top of the shaker. And then you just want to take it and literally put it right where you want it to go. So hold on. There is fallout with these. Big time. So try to be careful about that. But other than that, they are freaking beautiful. Should be still wet enough to pick up a little bit more. Okay. Now I'm just gonna spray this one more time. And then I'm gonna go in again, pretty heavy. And I'm gonna do the other eye real quick. If you get this in your eye, it stings a little bit. Not bad, but it does sting a little bit if you're not used to things going into your eyes. That's the only issues with this stuff, really, is the fallout. And then if you have too much water on your brush and it gets in your eyes, like I just did it again, it's actually not bad. But let's see. Okay. I had eyeshadow going down my face pretty far. Okay, so my lids are done. That's how easy this look actually is. These pigments are amazing. Like, all you have to do is literally wet it and put it on. It won't move all day. I swear to you, it won't move all day. And then on top of that, I have no idea where I was going with that. My brain isn't working correctly. I haven't had a really good couple of days with my memory. I know I've talked about like mental health and stuff on here before, but I have like bipolar and depression and anxiety and things like that. So I struggle with things like my memory and life in general sometimes. I don't want to get too deep or anything. So in the Frosted Flakes palette, I'll show you guys in a second. Let me get right up to the mirror. You guys can still see what I'm doing though, which is good. I'm mixing two colors together and I'll show you them in a second. So I just want to sweep this across above the crease. Really simple, really easy. And then we're going to take a blending brush and blend it out a little bit in a second. But this is literally one of the easiest looks you can do, but it is stunning. Like, people, when I wear the loose pigments from Nakia Joy, they're the only loose pigments I really have, except for a couple from indie brands that they sent as free gifts with purchase of palettes and stuff. I only have her pigments, so I don't know much about anything else, but these I get compliments on all the time, like the duochromes and the multichromes. People literally will walk up to me and ask me what's on my eyes. Like, it's pretty amazing. Let me turn the light on. That's so much better. I forgot about my light the whole time. I'm gonna have to watch this video, and if it's that bad, I'm just not gonna put it up. I think you guys would understand, though. You guys are pretty nice to me regardless of how dumb I look sometimes. Well, I won't say dumb, but clumsy or forgetful. Again, my memory, like, it's terrible. And I have a double ear infection, like, and in this ear, I'm literally can't hear at this point. And they can't see my eardrum to tell if it is, if it has bursted or burst or not. But because of the way it looks, they had to be really careful what they prescribed me. Like, it's been a couple hard weeks on me, honestly. I've been sleeping a whole lot, which is pretty normal when I get depressed, but I've been sleeping a ton. I think that's kind of standard, though. If you're, like, down in the dumps, not feeling good, sleeping a lot is just kind of part of the process. Okay, these two first mattes were the oranges that I was putting together. And then the white in here, I'm going to use on my brow bone. Just a little bit, not a ton. I don't want it to look stark white, but I would like it to emphasize a little bit, not like that. Alright, let me put some on my inner corner, and then that is the look. So, I also, with everything else, I forgot my tripod at my family's house that I was staying at for 10 days. I forgot my tripod, so I had to put my camera phone up on glue, or not glue, Velcro. So let me get out some liner. This is the Morphe X Lucky Charms what is it called? Imaginative. It's just an orange liner. And I'm not big on Morphe at all, but I thought this collection was so freaking cute. I had to buy something from it. And if there's one thing, and only one thing, which there really is, that Morphe can do, it is make eyeliner, believe it or not. I mean, I won't go out of my way to get it most of the time, but I do have quite a few of them. So yeah, I really like this set though, the Lucky Charms set. Okay. I have dry mouth from the medicine that I'm taking too, so if I sound funny, that's probably why. Just so you know. Let me get my brushes put away real quick. And then we're going to go in with some Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. Because you guys know a girl has some watery eyes, as in me. I should have said your girl, but it just came out wrong. I don't know how I got my eyes to stop watering for this video, actually. They'll probably start once I'm done with my eye makeup. I wish I knew what was wrong with my eyes, honestly. They have tried like thyroid tests, and it was some kind of special thyroid test on my eyes. Then they tried something else, another test. They can't figure out what's wrong with my eyes either, unless I go to a specialist, which I have to pay like, I think half of, so that could be really, really expensive. I don't know. It is what it is. I was a little bit talkative today, telling you guys all about everything. So I just wanted to let all you guys know what's been going on in my world, why I haven't been posting. And again, I do apologize about that. I don't like to leave you guys in the dust very often. I love and appreciate each and every one of you, wherever you are, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a great one. And I will talk to you guys later on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. Bye, guys.